normal to go like maybe 52 or 48, a little bit over, a little bit under. But if you're speeding consistently, that could be a problem.
Okay.
So they'll usually remind you too, like as soon as you get onto LaSalle, they'll say the speed limit here is 50, just to let you know. I didn't do that, so maybe it was my fault, I don't know. But if you don't see a speed limit, you're to assume it's 50 anyway, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then and then before you leave the side of the curb for
like
hill parking,
Yeah.
just make sure you straighten the wheels out first
Okay.
before you take off. They were still cranked all the way to the left. You hit the gas and you notice the car kind of a little bit to the left. That's a bit of a pucker factor for them because they don't know you.
Yeah.
They don't know how you drive like I do. And I know you're not just going to hit the gas and hit someone coming from the other side of the road. So,
Yeah.
But they don't know that. So make sure you straighten those wheels out first. So that means, so I start you off with 100 points and I take away points. You got a 94.
Okay.
94. You could have got 100 just by, straightening the wheels out and managing your speed. So yeah, that's really good. 96 for this one. They start you off with 0 points and they give you points as you make mistakes.
Okay.
So
less points.
Yeah.
That's good.
Like golf.
Okay.
Basically, keep your score under par. You're allowed to make 15 mistakes before you fail, and each mistake is 2 points. So keep it at 30 or below. Basically, that's a lot of margin for error.
Yeah.
It's rare that people fail because they've made too many mistakes. It's usually because they've done something illegal, like speeding.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's do round 2. We're gonna do round 2 here. I'll take you on another route. So let's back her out to the left and we'll head out to the lights. How was it without the music, dude?
I didn't find it awkward.
No? Okay, good.
No.
Yeah, some people get really freaked out by that.
I mean, I'm used to it because my mom does not play music in the car when she drives.
Okay.
So it's like...
Perfect. We're going to be turning left at the lights.